Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technify, your one-stop destination for honest, detailed, and next-level tech reviews. Today, we're taking to the skies with two of DJI's most exciting compact drones, the DJI Neo and the DJI Neo 2. The original Neo made waves for being one of DJI's lightest and most beginner-friendly drones ever made, combining portability, safety, and 4K imaging in an incredibly small frame. But now, DJI has raised the bar with the Neo 2, which claims to deliver upgraded sensors, improved flight stability, smarter AI flight modes, and even better video performance. So the big question is the Neo 2 really a revolutionary upgrade, or just a minor evolution of a great drone? In this video, we'll compare both in depth, from design and performance to camera quality, flight experience, and battery life, to help you decide which one truly deserves your money in 2025. The original DJI Neo quickly became a hit for those who wanted a fun, easy-to-fly, and travel-friendly drone without spending a fortune. Weighing only 135 grams and measuring 130 by 157 by 48.5 millimeters, it's small enough to fit in your palm, yet powerful enough to capture 4K footage. Its design is lightweight but sturdy, with built-in propeller guards that make it ideal for beginners and indoor flying. The Neo 2 keeps the same ultra-compact design but refines it with stronger materials, improved arm joints, and slightly larger landing gear for better balance during takeoff and landing. The aerodynamics have also been enhanced to reduce air drag, allowing smoother and more stable flights even in windy conditions. It still folds neatly, maintaining that travel-ready appeal, but feels much more premium in hand. Camera quality is where the Neo 2 truly shows its evolution. The original Neo's half-an-inch 12MP sensor with 4K at 30 frames per second recording produces vibrant and detailed video, but it struggles in lower light and lacks the depth that professionals look for. The Neo 2 steps it up significantly with a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, 5.4K video capture, and an upgraded image processing engine that delivers better contrast, color accuracy, and sharpness. Low-light performance has also been improved with a wider f/1.7 aperture, allowing for brighter, cleaner footage in dim environments. This upgrade alone makes the Neo 2 a far better choice for content creators who want cinematic results without moving to a full-size drone. In flight, the Neo was known for being stable and beginner-friendly, with a maximum flight time of 18 minutes and a top speed of 16 meters per second under ideal conditions. It uses GPS, Galileo, and Beidou positioning for solid hovering accuracy but tends to drift slightly in stronger winds due to its lightweight body. The Neo 2 addresses this with upgraded brushless motors, a re-engineered propeller system, and a new transmission protocol that improves range and reduces video latency. These changes give pilots smoother control, faster response times, and better signal strength, even in urban areas with interference. When it comes to intelligent flight modes, both drones feature DJI's classics like Follow Me, Quick Shots, and Orbit Mode, but the Neo 2 adds new tricks such as Cinematic Mode, which softens stick inputs for professional-looking camera movements, and Smart Subject Tracking 2.0, which predicts motion more accurately for smoother tracking. Obstacle avoidance also gets a big leap forward. While the original Neo only had downward sensors, the Neo 2 introduces rear and side sensors, offering a 360-degree safety bubble that makes it much harder to crash accidentally. Battery life sees a substantial boost too. The original Neo's 18-minute endurance was decent for short flights, but the Neo 2 extends that to 34 minutes thanks to a higher energy density battery and smarter power management. It also supports USB-C fast charging, letting you get back in the air quicker between sessions. In short, the DJI Neo remains a fantastic entry-level drone, compact, safe, and affordable. But the Neo 2 pushes the entire concept forward. With its upgraded camera, longer battery life, better flight stability, and smarter features, it's a serious step up that feels worth the higher price tag for anyone seeking more professional results. And that wraps up our detailed comparison of the DJI Neo versus DJI Neo 2. Both drones show DJI's commitment to innovation and user experience, but the Neo 2 clearly sets a new benchmark for what a mini drone can do. It's sharper, smarter, and simply more capable in almost every way. If you're a beginner or casual pilot, the original Neo still delivers amazing value and is perfect for quick, easy flights. But if you're a content creator or an enthusiast who wants next-level footage and smoother flight performance, the Neo 2 is easily worth the upgrade. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Technify, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews and drone comparisons. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which one would you pick, the Neo or the Neo 2? Until next time, keep flying high and stay tuned for more on Technify.